Do you want to know the worst thing about being a content creator?
Taxes.
Taxes. Especially if you live in a highly taxed area like me. I'm in New York. When you're a freelance content creator, you are in control of all your taxes. So what does that mean? That means with every single collaboration I have, no matter if it's $200 to $4,000, I'm putting away 40% of that collaboration. I just had a $3,500 collaboration and I had to put aside $1,400 of it into my tax account. Yeah, that's the other thing. You need a tax account so that you can pay those taxes later. The other thing is if you're in a state like New York, it's way better to have an LLC. There are a few reasons for that, but the main reason why I got an LLC is because when you're filling out W-9s or W-2s for different clients, you usually have to put your social security number. And by 4 to 5 months into UGC, I realized how many brands had my bank information and my social security number, which is just a no-no. So if you sign up for an LLC, you get a thing called an EIN, which is a tax identification number. So instead of putting your social, you can put that. But when you have an LLC, especially if you're in a state like New York, there are filing taxes for just having an LLC. So sometimes I have to just pay out of pocket $3,000, I think like twice a year to pay that LLC filing fee, I guess. And on top of that, you also need to track all your expenses. And business expenses are anything that relates to your business that you paid that contributes to your business in some way. That can be anything from a new phone that you're going to film with to getting lunch with someone who's also a content creator and you guys discuss content creation, or a business trip or a ticket to a business event. Anything like that, you have to track. And whatever that total amount is, you will subtract that, or your accountant will subtract that from your actual income, and then you will pay taxes on that subtracted amount. So let's say I made $50,000 with UGC and I spent $20,000 in expenses. That means I'm only paying taxes on $30K. And lastly, you have to get an accountant. At least I did. It's made things a little bit easier for me, but you also have to pay for the accountant. So yeah, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. It's really not.